Hawks Carpet Cleaning and Restoration specializes in residential and commercial carpet cleaning, upholstery, tile and grout, and also restoration work. Upon finishing cleaning your carpets will be clean, residue-free, and mostly dry. Hawks Carpet Cleaning and Restoration uses powerful truck mount equipment, some of the best and biggest on the market. We pride ourselves on doing the job correctly the first time. Most of our business is generated through repeat and referral business. Hawks Carpet Cleaning is a family-owned and operated business serving the Lima and surrounding communities. We are here to serve you and do the best job we can.